GIS Data Portals. Where to look for GIS data. So where should we actually look? The first place I recommend looking is on your company's server. So try your office server. Oftentimes someone else may be working on the same project as you, or at least the same location, and they may have downloaded the data onto your office server. One thing you might want to check for if you do find it on your office server is to ensure the data hasn't been altered, and to check the date of the data. Of course, if it's too old, it may not be of any use of you depending upon the type of analysis that you're trying to run. The next place to look, of course, is on Google. Just simply do a search for the GIS data. Oftentimes, many places will get a lot of requests for their GIS data, so what they'll do instead is they'll just host it on a website somewhere. So you may need to be able to do a simple Google search and find what you're looking for. The third thing you may have to do, if you can't find it on your office server and after doing extensive Google searches you can't find it anywhere, is you may actually have to make contact with the person who actually hosts the data or has the data. And oftentimes you'll find that person from doing item number 2 here. When you do a search, you'll sometimes find a site that has interactive GIS maps, but not a place to download these interactive GIS maps. But there's a point of contact on who that GIS person is in that department, and you should be able to contact them and get some GIS data.